our cat delete. Away. So WD-40. Spray our hanger too. Here. Oh man, there's no freaking way. Yeah, okay, there we go. Well, folks, when you go the right direction, usually be a lot easier to come off.
Now this wouldn't be a true exhaust video without a downpipe exhaust clip.
You don't need this one. You know, but they're all a little different. I just need to get this son of a gun off. This clamp right here. Okay, luckily it's just a spot weld, so it came off pretty easy. Clamp on. We have two pipes here. Cat delete is done. There it is. Old cat's over there. I'm gonna deal with this muffler. I just need to make sure I'm gonna have enough length here. This looks like a freaking. This looks like a 4-inch pipe. I don't know. It's pretty doggone big. I'm gonna. Alright, we went ahead and moved to the side of the road so we had some more space. Let's see if we can get this dadgum muffler off, huh? Alright, so we got the muffler down off the clips up there, and now I noticed we still got a little bit more to cut. Alright, now that the muffler's gone, I need to straighten these up a little bit. See, that was a little crooked there, so. Wow, that's on. Got our exhaust delete, cat delete up there. We'll catch you in the morning for a sound test.